Find or read reviews that people are talking about Auggs Sewing Machine, Mini Sewing Machine, Electric Portable Sewing Machine. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Electric Sewing Machine. Supports AC/DC power supply or battery power supply, wireless, easy to turn on with a button or foot pedal, included. It's very convenient to start sewing jobs. Practical Sewing Kit. We provide a useful sewing accessory kit which includes bobbins, needles, scissors, threader, tape measure, seam ripper, thimble, total 86 small items, meeting various needs. Advantages. The Mini Sewing Machine Kit is suitable for both beginners and children. It is the best gift for Christmas, Children's Day, Birthday, Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving Day, Mother's Day, and other festivals. Whether you are a beginner or a sewing enthusiast, please watch the use video carefully before using it, which can help you create works more easily. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.